Need help? Here's how to submit and manage support tickets easily. Hello and welcome back to our Pyrin tutorial series. Today I'll guide you through the support and ticketing system. How to raise a ticket, track its status, chat with support, and close it when the issue is resolved. Let's dive in. To begin, make sure you're logged into the platform from your browser or the Android app. Go to the profile menu and click Need Help, or navigate to the sidebar, where is the main menu. Scroll down and click Tickets under Support. To raise a ticket, click on Create New Ticket. First, choose the category that best describes your issue, for example, bug report, feature request, or order. Then select the priority level, low, medium, or high based on agency or how the issue affects core systems or functionality. Enter a short description in the subject field, maximum of 100 characters. After that, explain your issue in the ticket body. Provide clear details such as steps you took and a message returned by the system, or none thereof. Click Create when you're done. In the tickets table, you can track all your submitted tickets, each labeled with its unique ID and status, open, in progress, or closed. You are able to update details or delete a ticket if open and while support hasn't responded, just in case you change your mind or the situation was resolved from a periodic update. Click the pencil icon to edit and dustbin icon to delete after confirmation from the action column. Update the ticket once you're done making the necessary changes. After submission, you can communicate directly with the developer via the in-app chat system. This is handy for sharing extra information or asking follow-up questions. To do this, click View Tickets from the action column. Send a response and have a chat with the support team. You also receive automatic email notifications whenever the developer replies or updates your ticket. The chat is auto-updated with a countdown. Click it to stop or fetch new messages. Useful if you intend scrolling up the chat without being sent automatically to the last reply. Once the issue is resolved and you're satisfied, simply click Close Ticket to finalize it. You can do this in two ways. From the chat system, click the Open status at the top and confirm. Or, from the Tickets table, click the Open button for each ticket you wish to close from the status column, then confirm. And that's how you use the support and ticketing system to report, communicate, and resolve issues smoothly. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments what feature you'd like covered next. And don't forget, help is always just a ticket away.